Human beings try to build sea vessels that can resist all kinds of severe conditions. But there is one more strong obstacle that seagoing vessels must overcome: the water's power of resistance. The faster a vessel travels, the stronger the water's resistance. For this reason, hydrodynamic engineers tried to reduce this resistance as much as possible when they designed ships, boats, and submarines. A great amount of the power of the motors of ocean-going vessels is expended on overcoming the force of this resistance. Dolphins love to swim fast. Certainly, an ocean vessel traveling at such a speed would encounter great resistance. But dolphins have no such problem because God, who created them from nothing, created every kind of system they require. Their skin and body structure are designed to reduce water resistance as much as possible. Now, let's have a closer look at this wonderful design. The moment dolphins begin to swim rapidly, a thin film of water forms along their skin. This film of water is called a boundary layer. The skin was created with an elasticity that begins to move in a wave-like motion when turbulence occurs. The skin prevents resistance by moving in exactly the opposite direction from the turbulence in the boundary layer. The result is a fast and quiet swim. This design is a real wonder of engineering. After 4 years of research, German submarine engineers who noticed this design in the skin of dolphins imitated it and succeeded in making a submarine coating with the same characteristics. Submarines designed with this kind of coating were able to attain a 250% increase in speed. Certainly, it is not possible that a wonderful design like this, that human beings have tried to imitate, could be a chance occurrence. Such a flawless system could only have been made by a supreme intelligence. This shows us a plain fact once again. God created dolphins. The engineering marvel seen in the design of dolphins is just one of the countless examples that show the marvelous creative art with which God fashioned living things. For those who can see God's glory and His artistry in creation, every living thing in nature is full of miracles. In a verse of the Quran, God reveals, "These are an instruction and a reminder for every penitent human being." This is Africa. Many different animals live on this continent. And here is the biggest land animal in the world. Their huge bodies are almost the size of a one-story house. An elephant weighs approximately as much as 50 people, and normally lives to be 70 years old.